This is HLTdiy, Holiday Lighting Tutorials Do-It-Yourself. Today I'm presenting Season 2, Episode 6, How I Put Lights Over My Garage Door. This is the garage door that I will be putting some lights over. For the door opening, I'm using 1x2x8 strips, similar to these brand new ones right here. Here is what it looks like. The height is 7 feet and the length of the door is approximately 16 feet. It took 2 sets of LED strip lights from one end of it along the top over to the other end. The strip lights that I use are the ones that I buy from Walmart. And this is what it looks like right there. These are 16 footers and they are LED tape lights. Next thing, I'm going to fit these in the garage door opener and I'll let you see what it looks like in a little bit. Okay, the framework is in the opening. You can see where I have the power supply for both strips, kind of hidden back there. This is the left side of the door opening, 7 foot up. Then, as I said, it is 16 feet across. I use a lot of zip ties to hold this the LED strip onto the strips of wood. Also, the zip ties I use, mostly 6-inch zip ties, and those are working just fine. Come down to the end right here. Later on tonight, I will put the lights on so you can see what it looks like at night. See you later. This is what the light that I set up earlier over my garage door looks like. It's now dark and you can see that it's working just fine. The setting, the lighting that you're seeing right now was on there since last Christmas. I've not changed it yet, but it seems to be working fine.